welcome back. So before we actually getting into this video, let's go and measure my hair. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you exactly how long my hair is, and I'm going to try to put in as much evidence as possible as to when this video was taken and how long my hair is on this specific date and time. So you guys can see it is Monday the 8th of February in 2021. So I even asked Google, guys. It's not like I can change or edit this. Now we're going to go and measure my hair with the tape. Now I've got this one mark here that is just never gonna go away, and I'm gonna position the tape exactly above it, just above it, or just in line with it basically, but it's never gonna go away and it's gonna stay there forever. So it's not like I can move it or adjust it. The tape will always be measured on that spot. Okay, so we're going to go on to the results, and my hair length is on this day and on this time it is 107 centimeters. So it's basically just above it, 107 centimeters. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, there we go. And we're going to go and we're going to measure it now for the second time to see if my second measurement is going to add up to my first. So here we go. Now I'm going to position it again just above my mark that is always and forever going to be there no matter what I do. I'm going to position it right there again. Now we're going to measure it for the second time, making sure, and it came back with the same results as just above 107, or just below 107. So my hair shorter than 107. And then I just want to give you guys a little bit of more hair footage. I wanted to try to get as much hair footage as possible on this day so that you guys can see the exact length. So I'm just going to stand around, swirl around, and I just want to show you guys my actual hair length on this day and on this time. So this is actually going to be a bit of an interesting video because I'm doing my first product review. So this video is basically just going to be the introduction video of what this product is, what does it claim to do, how I'm going to use it, what does it contain, and all those things. So it's only in my next video that I'm going to post the results, because I'm actually going to start using this product today, and I had it for a week and I didn't use it because I was too busy, and now finally decided to do it. Starting with the first products, it is a hair growth treatment. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, it is 100% natural, it has proven results, and it is cruelty-free, and it leaves your hair soft. Then I have a little hair oil, and when I looked at the ingredients, it's also all natural ingredients. It's castor oil, coconut oil, lavender oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, and peppermint oil, so it's all natural. And then I've got the smaller version of the hair growth tonic, which is also sulfate free, paraben free. It's also 100% natural. It has proven results, and it is cruelty free. Then I've got the leave-in conditioner, or the detangler. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. It's long lasting, anti-frizz, and it hydrates and nourishes your hair. And it is also cruelty free and natural products. When I looked at the ingredients of the hair growth treatment, it looks like there are a lot of power ingredients, which is good for your hair, such as shea butter, argan oil. There's actually a lot. I will link it in the description box down below so you guys have a look. And then with the smell, when you open it, it's got a very watery consistency, and I'm just quickly going to show you guys how it's going to look. So it's almost like a brownish color, but it's got a very clean smell to it, so I don't think it's going to it's not a too strong smell when it's going to be put on your scalp. So therefore I'm actually very excited to start using this. And this is also how I'm going to use it, 1 ml at a time. So guys, just quickly ending off this video, it was basically just the introduction of the product that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to use it for about 8 to 9 days, 7 days. It all depends how long the tonic is going to last me. And I'm going to use it exactly as is. I'm actually going to put a reminder on my phone to remind me every time I need to put this tonic on my scalp. Now I hope you guys are just as excited as I am about this product and the end result. Now what I will say is we're actually not giving this product a lot of time to show its results. My hair only grows about 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters per month, and we're only going to give it about 7 to 9 days depending on how long this is going to last me. So if I can see a difference within the first week, then you can bet your rear end mirror this is working. Now before I want to end off my video, I just want to give a little bit of a shout out to some of the people that are commenting down on my videos. Starting with my first video, and here we go. Starting with the first person, which is Bill M, who was the first to like and the first to comment, and he is honored to be a subscriber. Thank you, Bill. And then naturally Antonia, who loved this video. Thank you so much, Antonia, for watching. I really appreciate it. And she also has a YouTube channel, so you guys be sure to check that out. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And then of course, guys, remember in my next video we're actually going to review and see if this product actually works. So if you guys don't want to miss it, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And my next video we're discussing the end result. See you guys in my next video. Bye.